Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Stitch Fix. Now, we're currently at 63.05 here, and you can see for the past couple weeks, we've been hanging around this 9-day EMA. Really, I guess, decent size move in here, 58 to around $64. So $6 move on a $63 stock in the past 2 weeks. I guess that's pretty good. But so there's a little bit of vol in here, but not really. You can get more, especially after this large move here back in the middle of May, right around a $30 move almost in here. So going forward, we're still going to probably consolidate a little bit. You can see these B bands are getting nice and tight. That's kind of what happens when you get consolidation just like this. We created a lower range, it looks like here, a couple days ago, or on that Wednesday, I believe, the 30th. So it looks like we will hold this trend line for now, because we definitely respected it on Thursday, and then Friday we didn't get below it, and we did create a doji here. So we're going to keep this trend line here until we end up breaching it and breaking it. But until then, we're just going to keep that there and see if it respects it. Resistance wise, it is going to be that 64, mid 64 range, 64.50s. And then support, it is going to be first this 9-day EMA. And then below that, it is going to be this trend line here that we created right around that 62 mark. Below that, obviously, it's going to be this 54. Now, we do have this circle right here. That's going to be a gap, right? So we do need to come up and fill that. You can call this a fill if you would like right here, right up at that 69.70 range. Play that however you would like. I'm not convinced that it's a full gap fill just yet. So, but going forward, this is definitely going to be our first or our next resistance, that $70 mark. But I think that we can come up, we can fill that better and then kind of work our way up to the 76s. But until then, we're just going to keep an eye on the 64.50s, and then we're going to see if we can get up to that $70 range or not. RSI in here 49, stochastic 62. Can get these a little bit more into the oversold territory, I believe, before a leg higher. But if we are still holding this lower trend line here, then that's perfectly fine. A little bit more consolidation, tightening up, and then we can go. Watch your moving averages here. This 50-day is going to get ready to cross over this 200-day moving average here, depending on what happens, if this lower trend line holds or not. So be on the lookout for that. That is considered a golden cross, and that is always a bullish signal. So just be on the watch out for that. We've been really, really tight in here ever since mid-May. So it looks like we are getting ready to cross in there. But again, we'll have to wait and see. IV in here is relatively low, as we stated, with this consolidation period here of about around $6. IV rank in here right around 11. You have a $3 expected move by this Friday. Next Friday, right around $5 expected move. And then in August, you're looking at right around a $7 expected move. So IV is relatively low compared to itself in here. But again, just wait and see if we hold this lower trend line here, watch your moving averages, and then see if we can bust out above that $64.50, $65 range. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.